In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can create a new budget within Phocas budgeting and forecasting. The first thing we're going to do is from within our finance database is click on the star in the top right hand corner and select budgets and forecasts. Then I'm going to click on the new workbook button in the top left hand corner and start to fill out some details. Give my budget a name. Make sure I've selected the appropriate database. In this case, we've only got one finance database, Insider Trading Limited. Then I'm going to select the P&L template that I want to use to create this budget. In this example, we'll use the basic P&L. Then I can select who's the owner of the budget and who else can administer the budget there. For the moment, I'm just going to leave it as myself as the budget owner, and I'm also the only administrator there. If I wanted to add more, I could simply just select from the drop-down list and select additional users there. In this budget, we budget by country. So I want to add a level into my budget. I'm going to select from the drop-down my country dimension, and then I'm going to select the code. And I'll then select next. The next option that we've got here is how do we want to budget, by year or by month? I'm going to select by month. Then I'm going to define the date range of the budget. This budget will be for 2021, so let's fill that out. January 2021 through to December of 2021. Now we've got two options underneath here. Do we want to populate the budget with our previous figures? That would be our stream option here. And as you can see, we've got a couple of selectors available for that, meaning that I can select what measure I want to use. If you've got multiple currencies, obviously you can bring in your different multiple currencies from your finance database. I could select amount, which is what I want to budget by here, and then my offset. As you can see, -12 generates the date range from January 2020 through to December 2020. So it'll use the previous period's data to build our current budget. The other option that we have here is zeros, meaning it's just going to be a purely blank budget and I can start from scratch. In this case, we might leave it as zeros and then just click save and finish. And there you'll see our budget has now been created. If I open up my operating expenses, I can see that I have got Australia and then a list of my accounts within Australia available to me. And that's how easy it is to create a budget within Phocas budgeting and forecasting. Thanks for watching.